Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM Leasing. Just want to say winter's coming, or it's here for you guys for the north, not me in Florida. What I want to talk about is when you try to start your truck up in the winter and it's dead. So what we want to do is do some preventive maintenance with the batteries, because that's where all your power is coming from when you start the truck. So what we want to do today is start looking at the cables by pulling the cover back, remove the top cover, and then what we're going to do is, one, see if there's any corrosion, any green, white powder substance. What you want to do is remove the wires, use a wire brush, clean it. To remove the wires off, you're going to need a 9/16 wrench or a socket and a ratchet. Once you get the wires removed, you're going to clean it and then put it back down. I suggest that you put down some battery grease, so that would keep it from corroding again. The reason why we want to do this, especially when you guys have winter up north, is that when snow hits the ground, the cities, the towns will be out full force with the snow plows and throwing salt on the ground. Salt will come up, it's going to cause some corrosion and so forth. So just keep that in mind when you want to maintain your batteries so you don't have any issues. Next thing is, when you have the batteries, double check and make sure that you have the proper cold cranking in. I suggest anything 950 or higher would help, especially during the winter. Anything at 650 is going to be a lot tougher. It's more for tropic weather like myself here in Florida. Other than that, that's what I would do there. And then when you guys have the inverter on and you know that it's going to be super cold, you might want to have the truck running. If that inverter starts pulling a draw on the batteries and you don't have the truck running, that next day you're not going to be able to start that truck at all. So just keep that in mind. Keep the truck running, especially if you know it's super cold outside. I know you guys want to stay warm. Keep the truck running. It's going to be the best thing to do, because then the next day you can at least take off and going. All right, guys, I hope that everything was helpful today about the batteries and cold weather. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave me a comment at the bottom. If you want more content of what we have going on, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys at the next video. Ciao.